can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I get
to finish class. It's 7 p.m. now. So I have a little bit of time. I'm hoping to study from 7 to 12, get a bunch of practice questions done and whatnot. Talk to my professor a little bit before leaving, ask him about research because I'm pretty interested in that kind of stuff. I really want to go more in depth in my knowledge. Just gonna try to see what I'm interested in, maybe ask other professors, see what their thoughts are. But yeah, gonna go to the library or maybe get a snack to eat and study. Just kidding. I came back home because I was starving. I just couldn't study on an empty stomach, so I came home. Ended really late. Ate some leftover Chipotle, and now it's 8:43 p.m. I'm gonna go take a shower because I feel all grimy and nasty, and then gonna study. Hopefully I'm gonna study until 12 today and then wake up early, study a little bit more, eat breakfast, and then maybe, most likely gonna go to the library to study. But please, I hope I wake up early. Hope I wake up early, please. But that's the plan so far. I'll show you guys what I study. So first on the thing to do is I'm looking at lecture slides, but I'm kind of testing myself almost. So like I would just kind of come up with questions by myself. Be like, okay, what's a chain of fewer than 50 amino acids? It'll be this. I don't even know how to pronounce it, I'm gonna be honest. But then many peptides, what is it? So I'll constantly ask questions. So side chains contain functional group, and I kind of write down the process. So that's gonna be first on my slide or on the things to do, because I need to kind of get prepped up with the material, know what to do, and then soon after I'm gonna take a bunch of quizzes because that's how I best prepare for it. 11:34 p.m. Super tired. I think I'm gonna take out the dog just for one last pee because he drank a lot of water, so I don't want him to ruin our sleep. But gonna do a couple more. I think I'm gonna do a couple practice questions now. It's taking a little bit long to look at the lecture, but I think I really need to start going into practice questions in order to actually get the lesson. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Gonna sleep. 8:23 a.m. Walking the dog. Time to really cram. It's almost the finish line. Look at my hat. Yes. 2. Gonna go to the school library just so I can study and then just immediately go take the test. So I'm gonna go and just work my butt off right now. I'll see you guys there. I'm gonna do 20 more questions on something I don't know about, and then I'm gonna do 2 practice tests. My brain is fried right now, but until I finish through the finish line, a study of 1 minute can determine 1 question point. So let's just keep going. Let's go. No regrets. Test now. I think I'm kind of ready. Let's do it. Let's get it. All right, so I just finished my test or got in my car. A little bit of my thoughts. I feel like I didn't do really well on the test. Definitely I didn't get an A. I don't think I got an A-. I'm just kind of hoping for a B or B+. I don't know. I think what I kind of failed to do was she released a practice test on something called codon learning, and it was kind of really different from what we're learning in class, so I kind of just ignored it. But it seems like she took a lot of what she put on codon learning into this, which was kind of confusing because her lectures were a lot different. But I mean, it's still totally my fault. It's something I need to be really aware next time. It might be a little sweaty to get an A in this class now, so I'm gonna have to really study. Yeah, I'll show you guys the results later, and then I'm gonna eat the food that my beautiful wife made. So I don't feel the greatest, but still hopeful. I can still I can still do this.
Well, my wife isn't home and I forgot the keys, so gonna have to stay outside.